Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with WooCommerce REST API using consumer keys. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with the WooCommerce REST API using consumer keys, begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the WooCommerce settings section. Click on the Advanced tab. Select REST API from the submenu. Click on the Add Key button to create a new key. Fill in the description field to identify this key later. Select the user role for the API key based on the permissions you want to grant. Choose the permissions level, read, write, or read/write. Click Generate API Key to create your consumer keys. Once the keys are generated, you will see both the consumer key and the consumer secret. Make sure to copy both keys and store them in a secure location. Next, open your preferred REST client or coding environment. Set the API endpoint to your WooCommerce store URL followed by /wpjson/wc/v3/. In the REST client, enter the consumer key as a username. Enter the consumer secret as a password. Choose the request method based on your intended action, such as GET, post, or delete. Add any necessary headers or body data according to your API request. Send the API request from your client. Check the response to confirm authentication was successful. If the response is positive, you can proceed to make further API calls. If authentication fails, double-check the consumer key and secret for accuracy. Once authenticated, you can begin interacting with your WooCommerce store through the REST API. Make sure to follow best practices to secure your API keys at all times. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.